There is a ton of books left, not even to mention the non-barcode books out there. There's a lot of profit left on the shelves. It's just about going out, scanning them, getting after it. A lot of booksellers are lazy. They don't like to open up books. This is what I do. So when you get a book like this, and I actually got a hunch when I saw this book, if you open it up to the front cover, like that, you can actually open up the Amazon Seller app, which is free, but the Amazon Seller app is awesome because it has facial recognition. With facial recognition, it can actually grab this inside cover. If you get hunches like this, you should definitely look into the books. What I like to do is I like to stack these all up. So I get like 8 in a stack. So I'm out scanning and I'll actually stack all these up. So as I'm scanning the shelf, I'll stack all the, no dust cover, no barcode books up. And then I'll switch my app from Scout IQ. I'll hover my phone over like this. I'll open up, scan it, boom, look at my phone. Oh, no, piece of shit, put it back. And if it's good, then I'll put it in my good pile.